Welcome to our tutorial on how to disable notifications for mentions in your bio on Instagram using your PC. With the recent update, managing your notifications has become easier than ever. Let's dive into the steps. First, start by opening your Instagram account. Simply go to your browser, type in instagram.com, and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your homepage. Next, look towards the bottom left corner of your screen. Here, you'll see a small icon that resembles 3 horizontal lines. Click on this More icon. This will open a sidebar menu with several options to choose from. Now, select Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Notifications. This section is crucial for managing all alerts you receive from Instagram. After clicking on Notifications, the next step is to select Push Notifications. This option controls what notifications you receive directly on your device. Finally, scroll down until you find the section titled Mentions in Bio. Once you locate it, you'll notice the option to toggle it on or off. To disable these notifications, simply click on Off. This will ensure that you no longer receive alerts when someone mentions you in their bio. And that's it. You've successfully disabled notifications for mentions in your Instagram bio. Now you can enjoy a more streamlined experience without the distractions of constant notifications. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.